about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But understand the truth, don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you cannot run the memories.
Hi guys, hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Cassie. So it's been a hot minute that I have shot or filmed a video. We are already in the 6th month of the year and I really wanted to reset my life, because why not let me just go ahead and film this video or show a little bit of like snippets of what exactly my reset looks like. It may not be the same for you, or maybe your reset must be a little different, but then this is something that I personally do. Decided to go ahead and quickly clean up my room that you already saw, and now I feel like 10 times better. And now I'm gonna head to the gym. I actually want to hit gym at least 3 times a week. That is my goal. I don't want to go ahead and be really heavy and pressure myself to go to the gym every single day, because that is not possible for me. And maybe in the future I'm gonna take it like soft baby steps, I would say. And yeah, I also wanted to go ahead and quickly set up my planner. Since June started, I have been reading this book. This is called Boost Your Productivity and it's by John Brandon. I'm gonna quickly read out what's here. So it says, achieving peak productivity requires more than hard work. It demands intentionality and smart habits. Productive days don't just happen, they are the result of overturning the habits that don't work for us and developing the ones that do. In Boost Your Productivity, renowned productivity expert John Brandon introduces his transformative 7-minute framework to help you overcome digital distractions and create effective daily routines. This book will teach you how to work hard on the right tasks as opposed to working fast on the wrong ones. Identify and eliminate time-wasting habits like mindless social media use, and I'm guilty about it. Third is, develop the 7-minute daily routine that's so valuable for productivity. And the fourth one is, harness the power of purposeful planning and hope moments. Yes, it only takes 7 minutes a day to shift your mindless reactions to mindful actions that maximize your impact. It's time to take control of your time and design the productive, fulfilling life you deserve. If you want to get ahead of your time, and if you are someone who has been mindlessly scrolling, I'm guilty about it. I have been doom scrolling like for straight 3 to 4 hours, and that is not funny at all. So that's that, and right now I'm gonna head to the gym. Hi guys, so I actually had a good shower after the gym, did a rosary, family rosary, and then we had dinner. Now I am again in my bedroom, so I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and sit down with you guys and just plan my month. This is my 2026 planner from Simba Lifestyle. It is a very good planner. Now I'm gonna sit with my planner and I have my pen right here. Now I'm gonna quickly jot down my things in the planner. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can pack it up, girl, burn it all. So I'm actually done doing my planner stuff, planning out this week for myself. But I really wanted to go ahead and dive into some romance novels. I have been just reading thriller. I guess I just need some break from thriller. I have this 4 books. I'm not sure which one to pick and choose. So what I usually do is, then this time I discovered this app called Spin the Wheel on Play Store. And this is what it actually looks like. And I have gone ahead and added the book names and I'm gonna accordingly go ahead and spin the wheel. Here we go. I'm gonna quickly start with the love hypothesis, and I'm glad that I got this book, because I have seen that there's a movie that's coming based on this book, which is the love hypothesis. So I'll be starting reading this romance novel right here. So if you are ever confused as to what you need to read from your TBR list, I guess this is a wonderful app. I have woken up and I'm actually getting ready for my work, so I thought, you know what, let me just sit down and show you how my morning looks like. I'm trying to reset it, but right now I'm having my coffee, and I am never without my iced coffee. I love my iced coffee, and now I'm gonna sit down to pray for a while, because that is like my calm before the chaos begins. Okay, so let's go. Alright guys, so that is all I have for you in today's video, and I hope you liked watching this video. I have picked up my camera and I thought, you know what, I'll just start filming the videos, and I'm feeling so happy about this. I hope you too enjoyed watching. This is like my version of like a monthly reset. So I hope you liked watching this video, and if you did like it, then please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.